Thank you, Alpha. Hello guys, I'm Ifa. Now, I'm going to briefly explain about how object recognition works. Let's get started. But before that, do you guys know there are a variety of approaches for object recognition? For your information, there are a variety of approaches for object recognition, and the popular approaches to object recognition problems are machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is more complex than machine learning. Object recognition technique using deep learning. One of the deep learning types or models is CNN. It is used to automatically learn the features of an existing object in order to identify that object. What is CNN? CNN is one of the most popular algorithms for deep learning. It is made up of several layers that process and transform an input to produce an output. This model learns to perform feature identification and classification directly from images, videos, text, or even sound. CNN are particularly useful for finding patterns in images to recognize objects, faces, and also scenes. Next is the two approaches to perform object recognition using deep learning. The first one is training a model from scratch, and the second one is using a pre-trained deep learning model. For training a model from scratch, first of all, you have to gather a very large level dataset. And then you have to design a network architecture that will learn the features and build the models. The result can be impressive, but this approach requires a large amount of training data and many more. For training a model from scratch, first of all, you have to gather a very large level dataset. And then you have to design a network architecture that from this, we can know that deep learning offers a high level of accuracy but requires a large amount of data to make accurate. So the next one is object recognition technique using machine learning. Machine learning offers different approaches than deep learning. Here are the machine learning workflow. First, start with a collection of images or videos. Then, select the relevant features in each image. For instance,